here's how to use my weekly sticker kits in your digital planner. So I've got my planner open and here is the weekly kit that I'm going to use. When you are purchasing this, you will receive it as a PNG, and it's as simple as clicking on the image, going to crop and cropping down the sticker that you want and placing it wherever you want it. That is as simple as it is. So I'm just going to show you me covering up these dates and these days of the week. So this is basically what you do. A little bit of resizing and rejigging, and this is basically it. So you basically just put it to the size that you want it, and that is it. Now, these do arrive as a PNG, so they do have the transparent background that you see here. But if they ever do change into a PDF, then it's basically the exact same thing. Or you can just go to Canva and you can just change it into a PNG file as well. But this is as simple as it is. This is how you would use my weekly kits in your digital planner. And these work for GoodNotes. They also work for Notable and a few other ones. I've seen a few different people using different ones, but I personally still use GoodNotes just because that's what I'm used to. But it's as simple as this. You're just cropping down the sticker that you want and putting it wherever you want to put it. And you're doing this for the full kit. If you have any other questions, just let me know, and let me know if this video helped you guys. And also, don't forget to tag us in your videos if you are using any of our sticker kits, because we absolutely love seeing how you guys create your planners and how you decorate them and stuff. So yeah, let me know if this is helpful, let me know if you've got any other questions, and see you guys in my next video.